I'm in Cranberry, Pennsylvania at Graham Park Fishing Pond. Just thought I'd come out. I never did a video here before. I just got done showing a newly married couple a house in Cranberry. And as most of you know, when I'm out dealing with properties, when I'm done with the appointments, I find places in that area to go get pictures and videos. This is Graham Park Fishing Pond. It's pretty decent. I love that eagle right there. Get a picture of that. Look at that, pure beautiful right there. Graham Park Fishing Pond in Cranberry, Pennsylvania.